Hey guys, welcome back to the garage side of my channel. You're about to see two intros because I've recorded a video for a specific thing that was happening to my Mercedes C-Class W204 and my mind got blown in the middle of it, and I will explain in a second why potentially saving 168 quid or more when I was expecting just to fork out to buy some parts, but then the fix was just first of all a couple seconds and then cost me nothing. So please watch it. It's not a clickbait. I'm recording this because my mind is just literally blown with this, how silly the parking brake mechanism, the system is, and how complicated it is, and how expensive parts for it are, and that you can't just change according to Mercedes a cable. But watch it through and let me know in the comments what you think, because this is just mental. Hey guys, welcome back to the garage side of my channel. Today we're going to be dealing with another issue with my C-Class W204. I'm pretty sure the cable of the parking brake has snapped, and fingers crossed, I hope it's only the inside one, not outside, because it would be much harder. But we will have a look and see if we can fix it. Let's have a go. Right, so let me just show you what's happening. So let me just put the light on. If I'm going to try to put the foot brake on, doesn't do anything. Literally opens up, and yeah, that is snapped, definitely. I've opened it up, I don't know if you're going to be able to see. Right, let me just show you. The cable here is very loose, and I'm pretty sure that it is snapped in here. Let me just try to do it here. Yeah, that is snapped. So I would just take the shields off and just have a look what's going on there. Okay. Right, it feels like I'm doing it on a regular basis with this parking brake. Yeah, you tell me if it's a good design or is it not a good design with it, because I've got my opinion about it. Disconnect OBD, just right here, pull the tab, that just comes out. Let's just disconnect the footwell light. I just unscrew this one, screw there, and then I'm trying to, I just need to go through, and then we've got 3. Okay guys, so the good news is that the main cable didn't snap, which is very good news. Just put some light in there. So this one here, it feels it's firm, so it still works, but it is the top cable that needs replacing. And the bad news is, I think I'll have to take out the whole mechanism, the whole system, because I don't think I'm able to change the cable without taking the whole foot brake out, which is a bit of a pain, I have to say. Just put the light on. So you see, this is the whole thing, and the cable goes from here up, and then somewhere, somewhere behind there. So I'll have to just take the whole mechanism out, because I can't see any other way of attaching the cable. So I just need to figure this one out. There's definitely one screw here, and I don't know any other places where it's attached, so I'll have to quickly have a look. But yeah, it is definitely loose. This works, but the funny thing is, I'm going to put it on and it doesn't stay on. It just, which is obviously a good thing, because the cable snapped, and if it would be just like constantly on and I wouldn't be able to release it, I wouldn't be able to drive. So I'm still able to drive with this, obviously not using it, but I need to figure out how to attach the cable from this side here. Okay, let's have a look. Right guys, so I just went off camera just to have a look online, how can I source the cable, and I just wanted to kind of see the assembly of the whole parking the foot brake just to see how to unscrew it and just take it out. And I just thought I'm just gonna ring Mercedes just to see if I can just source and can just buy the cable itself just from the parking release to foot brake. And I just rang them quickly just to see if they've got the part, and they said unfortunately you can't buy just the cable, you have to buy the whole mechanism, the whole foot brake assembly, which would cost about 160 quid. Which I was just bonkers, because it's just a small cable, and yeah, it's just mind-blowing how expensive, and first of all how silly it is that you can't just replace the cable, you have to buy the whole system, the whole kind of mechanism to fix such a simple issue. But what I did, I just investigated slightly more. I just went on good old YouTube just to see the whole assembly, just to see how to unscrew it. And I just kind of picked one video, and I'm going to link it below, because I just fixed the issue first of all, and I'm just mind blown. So I just started to think, is the cable actually really broken? Is it kind of snapped? And I just started to pull it on the side there, and then just to see, but it's actually attached, so it's not broken. It's loose. So that kind of made me think, okay, so it's still attached, so there must be something else. And so on that video that I just seen, there was a small clip that just comes off from its kind of casing, and that is the fix. Because as you could see, my parking brake didn't stay, you know, in a position when I kind of, you know, fastening it. When I would try to kind of, you know, press it, it was just coming back. It didn't stay low, and it just didn't kind of, you know, lock itself. I was just assuming that the cable is snapped, but in this case, it's not. So let me just show you now. The parking brake is working fine now. So first of all, it stays low. I'm just going to pull the lever, and it just works. It's mental. It is mental. So let me just show you exactly what I've done and how I've done it. And as I said, definitely give a like to the person who showed it in the different video. It's a very, very quick and short video. This is such a silly mechanism. The whole kind of, you know, assembly of this foot brake is just bonkers. So let me just show you what I've done. Okay guys, so we're down here by the mechanism, and what happened is this metal part, this kind of, call it latch, has come out of the casing. It was just out there. I can't take it now because it's really actually hard to do it, so I'm surprised it actually happened. Sorry, there it is. I just pushed it with my finger just to kind of, you know, come back to its position, and that has fixed the issue, which is just crazy. So if you can see now, I'm gonna just put the parking brake on. So that first of all worked, so it stopped and started, you know, it kind of, you know, went down, and it's locked in position. So if we now, sorry, it's a bit tight here, so now I'm just gonna push. So this is, if you would push the lever there up there, that's what happened. You're releasing it, and it just released the whole mechanism. So Mercedes just a second ago told me that you can't replace just the cable, you have to replace the whole system, the whole parking brake. But I can see clearly that you can change the cable just right here. So I can't just believe that you have to replace the whole system if the cable snaps. But in this occasion, the cable did not snap. It is all firm and it's working. It was just this part that just came out of the whole kind of latch situation here, and that was it. I don't know why and how it happened, but it just came out of there. So it's just crazy that small little thing just kind of affected the whole parking brake, and I was not able to obviously use it and then, you know, apply it. So okay, I've disassembled some bits. I didn't take the whole thing out, but I will just lubricate all of the springs. While we are here, you can see all of the different kind of bits in there that you can lubricate right here. The cable, easy, there's one spring there. I don't think it's that important, but there is one in here. Oh, you see the metal bit up there, there's a bit of a coil that needs to be kind of lubricated, because otherwise it just gets sticky, and that's why I'm gonna lubricate just there. So yeah, I hope this helps you. Definitely big shout out to the person that posted the video. I'm gonna link it in the comment. I was just about to fork out £168 for the whole assembly, which first of all I didn't need to, but it's just crazy that they just don't sell just the cable itself. So I hope this helps. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.